Jai Srimannarayana. 19th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Anadimadhyantam Anantaviryam Anantabahum Sesi Suryanetram Pasyami tvam Deeptahutasavaktram Svatejasa Visvamidam Tapantam. Om. Realize that and always remember that Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine Visvarupam has no beginning, no middle, no end. There are so many divine, all these forms in this universe is a part of Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine Visvarupam. Whenever you get to see the moon, the sun, realize that they are the eyes of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Whatever the energy that you are getting from sun is from Krishna Paramatma's divine eye. Whatever the relief that you are getting from moon, that is also you are getting from Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine eye. Like that, whatever that you see in this entire universe, you have to feel that it is the part of divine universal form of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Follow these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall realize and always remember that your divine universal form has no beginning, no middle, no end. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, whenever I get to see the moon and the sun, I shall always remember that those are like your divine eyes. Whatever the energy that I am getting from sun, whatever the relief that I am getting from moon is coming from your divine eyes. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall realize and always remember that you are everywhere in this entire cosmos. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadam rutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta-krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 171st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Bhagavan is Sakshat Sriman Narayana, the Supreme. But Yashoda Devi, considering Krishna as her own son, pouring her affection, love, concern, care towards him. So while the days were passing like that, one of those days, all the Gopalas, Nanda and other Gopalas, elderly people, held one meeting and started thinking about all the dangers that have happened in Bruhadvanam. The place they are all living is called Bruhadvanam. Around Nandavraj there are so many vanas. One of them is Bruhadvanam. So while they are all thinking about what to do, because there are so many dangers happening, at that time Tatra Upananda Namaha. There is one elderly Gopala, his name is Upananda. He is saying like this, "Oh my dear Gopalas, yes, now I am telling for the welfare of this entire community and for the welfare of our Balarama Krishna, we have to immediately move out from this place. Priyakrita Ramakrishnayoho, for the sake of Balarama Krishna we have to move out, because there have been so many dangers took place. Putana came and tried to kill our Krishna, and one demon got into cart and tried to harm our Krishna. Our Krishna was saved from all these dangers only because Harehe Anugrahat, only because of Sriman Narayana's Anugraham. Now let us move out from this place." Like that Upananda suggesting all other Gopalas. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 19th sloka. Anadi madhyantam ananta viryam ananta bahum sesi surya netram pasyamitvam deepta hutasa vaktram svatejasa visvamidam tapantam. Anadi madhyantam ananta viryam ananta bahum shasi surya netram pasyamitvam deepta hutasa vaktram svatejasa visvamidam tapantam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.